Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with WordPress. This is a fantastic way to embed interactive forms, surveys, or quizzes directly into your WordPress site, making it easier to collect responses and engage with your audience. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to typeform.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Typeform dashboard where all your forms are managed. In the upper left panel, locate and click on the button that says plus create a new form. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for creating your form. From that menu, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control to build a completely custom form tailored to your needs. After selecting Start from Scratch, you'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Welcome Screen. This is the introductory screen that visitors will see when they open your form. It's a great place to add a greeting or explain what the form is about. Now, locate the plus Add Content button in the upper left corner of the screen and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with various content types you can add to your form. From this menu, click on Multiple Choice. This will allow you to create a question with several answer options for respondents to choose from. Next, you'll see a field where you can type your question. For example, you might type something like, "What is your favorite color?" Then press Enter. This locks in your question and prepares the form to accept answer choices. Now it's time to add your answer options. Click on the A button to add an answer field, then type your first preferred choice, such as red, and press Enter. Repeat this process to add more choices. You can add as many options as you like, but for this example, repeat it at least 4 times so you have a good variety of answers for your respondents to choose from. Once you're satisfied with your form and all the questions and answers are in place, look to the upper right panel and click on Share. This will automatically publish your form and make it live. You'll need to wait a few seconds for the page to load and process the publishing. Once the page has fully loaded, you'll see several sharing options. Click on Copy Link to copy the form's URL to your clipboard. This link is what we'll use to integrate the form into your WordPress site. Now it's time to switch over to WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard by navigating to your site.com/wp-admin. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard menu on the left side. Navigate to Plugins, then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for new plugins to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar, type Typeform and press Enter. Look for the official Typeform embed plugin in the search results. Once you've found it, click on Install Now. The plugin will begin downloading and installing automatically. After the installation is complete, a new button will appear labeled Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Typeform with WordPress. Now you can easily embed your Typeform surveys and forms into any page or post on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.